So let me show you how to connect this i20 Ultra Max Smartwatch. So in the box you have the watch itself, you have an AirPod, third edition AirPod, you have a pouch, you have the charger, and then you have up to 7 strap, you have chain, rubber, and so on and so forth. So yeah, how to connect the watch with your phone. First of all, you power the watch on by press and holding this button. You press and hold it for some seconds. It's going to come up. So when it's up like this, what do? You go to your Play Store and search for this app. Search for iWatch Ultra GLS. On Play Store, you search for iWatch Ultra. iWatch Ultra on Play Store, search for it. Please do not download this. Do not download this with that end with GS. You will download this one. Scroll down and download this that end with GLS. Okay, so download this one that end with GLS. iWatch Ultra GLS. So when you download it, you open it and then you click on agree. So in this place, you are going to fill these settings: your sex, your height, your weight, and your age. And then you click on save. So now you are here. So then on the watch, swipe like this. Ensure that this call sign is on. Okay, ensure that this one is on like this. Okay, so on this app, go to equipment. Go to equipment. This is equipment, and you click on add device. So you click agree, allow while using the app, allow. So make sure you grant all the permission that it requests for. So you allow it to scan. Ensure that the Bluetooth of your phone is powered on. Please, Bluetooth should be on, and then location setting as well should also be on your phone. You should ensure that your location, this one, is on, as well as Bluetooth. Very important. So once you do that, you see that the watch will display here. Click on it to connect. So you wait for it to connect. So please make sure you download the right one that asks GLX. It's very important. Okay, so after that, you wait for all this information to complete. So yeah, we are connected now. So the watch is connected with the phone. So for you to know that it's connected, you come to find, click on it. You see that the watch will vibrate, so you know that you are connected. All right, so you can come to message push. Click on message push. Click on call reminder. It's going to take you to your settings. Okay, click on message reminder. Let's see, there will be one that will take us to a setting. Then let's click on WhatsApp. Okay, yeah, this one take us to setting. So we'll look for this app here on this setting. Make sure it's powered on, allow. Then we'll go back. So this, what we are doing here now is we are trying to set some app that will be receiving notification on our watch. So whichever app you have in your phone that you want to receive its notification on the watch, you are going to on it. But it's not advisable for you to on so many apps, as it will drain your battery fast. So just on the app that you wish to receive its notification on your watch, like your WhatsApp, your email, your message, and your call. Okay.